Disney and Pixar are dead. You are the new Disney. Normal person watching this YouTube video in 2026 is the new Disney. You can make videos like this in less than 5 minutes from one single text prompt, and you can start making money from these today. So I can't believe this exists. Like, the future is already here. These types of videos costed millions and millions of dollars 10 years ago. Now you can make them super easy for next to nothing in 5 minutes. I can't believe I'm saying this. I can't believe I'm here, like in the present moment in 2026, saying that we, normal people, are able to make Disney style movies and make money off of them. It feels so cool to be able to say that and to be able to do this. And in this video, I show you step by step how to make these types of videos and how to make money with them as well. So hit the like button and let's get into it. I'm also giving away some cool stuff in the video, so definitely stick around for that.
In case you didn't know, Sora 2 is the most powerful AI video generation model in the world, and it is taking over YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. These types of videos get millions upon millions of views. This is the hottest thing in the entire world. Remember when ChatGPT came out in 2022, 23? It was like everything. It was everything in the AI world. It's all that people talked about. Now, Sora 2 is changing the game. I've said this in my previous videos, and I'm going to say it again, and I'm going to say it over and over again. Hollywood is dead. You are the creator now. You are the director. You are the person who can make crazy engaging videos like this. You can make movies. You can make kids stories. You can make animated shorts. You can make anything you want. Look at this, a Netflix series. Like, what are the limits? It's just, there's no limits with this. There's everything that we can think of as far as content is concerned. It can be done with websites like Video Inu mixed with Sora. Look at these videos, guys. When was this possible in the history of the entire world? When was it possible to create videos like this? It's never been possible. Like, it's always been in the hands of Hollywood. It's always been in the hands of directors of Disney and Pixar and all these other giant corporations that dictate what our kids watch, what we watch, what the masses watch on Netflix, on Disney, on Hulu, on Prime Video, whatever the case may be. We have the power now, and I've been screaming this. I've been screaming this ever since video generation models like Sora have came out. We're the ones who have the power now. Look at this, complete anime. What can you do? What can your imagination create with this? Just a quick note, in this video, I'm giving away 10 free monthly subscriptions to Video Inu, valued at about 30 bucks a piece. All you have to do to enter is drop a nice little comment below. YouTube is not associated with this giveaway. This giveaway was brought to you by Video Inu. Check out the description for the giveaway rules. 2026 is going to be one of the most revolutionary years in the history of the world, full stop. Here's why Video Inu is different than the actual Sora 2 platform. Video Inu gives you unrestricted access to Sora 2 videos. It doesn't matter what country you're in. It doesn't matter if you have an invite code. There's no restrictions on computer, on cell phones, in any country in the world. Video Inu is absolutely uncensored and unrestricted when it comes to Sora 2. We've all seen it before. If you're not in the United States, you've probably seen a message like this. You went to the Sora 2 website and this is what it told you. You will never have that same problem with Video Inu. Video Inu doesn't give you restrictions. It doesn't back you up against an AI content generation wall, if you will. It's unrestricted and unfiltered. Not only does Video Inu have Sora 2, but it has a story to video generator that allows us to create full hyper-realistic videos up to 30 minutes long. You can create any video you want. Let's check it out. Down here, there's options for 3D cartoon, full cinematic, horror, realistic, Zootopia, pixel comic. There's so many choices here. There's the smart script, which takes a single text prompt and turns it into a complicated advanced prompt. We have the video duration down here, which can be from 30 seconds all the way up to 30 minutes, which is crazy. We have the aspect ratio, landscape, or portrait. And finally, we can choose our language here. Let's make a video about some crazy superhero that fights some sort of weird, like, watermelon platypus creature. I don't even know where that came from. That came from the deep recesses of my subconscious mind, but let's make it happen, because guess what? With this tool, you can do whatever you want. You can create any story that you want. As long as it's in your imagination, I can't even talk straight. I'm so excited. As long as it's in your imagination, you can create it. Anything you want. Let's get it done.
Also, Story to Video uses Sora 2 to create cinematic 30-minute videos with consistent characters and auto-matched sound. It solves long-form video creation completely.
Make me a superhero in a green cape who fights a weird watermelon platypus giant monster. Yes. Once we're happy with our prompt, we can click Smart Script and then click Create. Oh, look at this guy. Whoa. Yeah, that came straight from the recesses of my imagination onto my computer. Super, super cool. Little weird, but cool. Video Inu now creates each scene to the left here, scene by scene. And if there's something that you don't like here, you can always regenerate the picture, or you can edit it from this toolbox right here. You can animate each one individually, but we're going to go ahead and click Next, and we're going to animate all of them at the same time. Next, animate all. We're going to click Next and confirm. Once we click on Next and animate all, you'll notice that Video Inu is actually animating all of these picture scenes in real time. And this literally took 2 minutes to do. So let's check out the whole video.
The Emerald Defender and the Fruity Menace. From the depths of the unknown, a colossal hybrid creature begins its rampage. Citizens look up in terror as the walking fruit beast dominates the skyline. Just when all hope seemed lost, a flash of green pierces the clouds. Seeing its chance, the hero binds the behemoth with pure kinetic energy. The bizarre creature finally collapses, defeated by the strength of the green-caped guardian. The city cheers for its savior, a symbol of unwavering protection. The guardian ascends once more into the safety of the blue skies.
One of the most powerful features of Video Inu is that you can get unlimited Sora 2 video generations on their Pro and Ultra plans. There's a bunch of different options that we can choose here, such as Story Video Generator, also Character Generator, but we're going to choose the Sora 2 Video Generator. We click Create. It's going to take us to our dashboard. We have Landscape or Portrait Ratio. Let's go ahead and enter our prompt. I'm going to put Bob Ross character talks about how SpongeBob is an undercover cop on the weekends. You can use your imagination with this. Anything. Talk about superheroes or evil villains or aliens invading New York City or whatever the case may be. Use your imagination. This can do it all. Video Inu has you covered. As long as you have sufficient imagination, as long as you can be creative with this, you can make these awesome videos. Let's check it out.
Here's a fun fact. This little square fella actually works undercover as a police officer on the weekends. Makes you look at him in a whole new light, doesn't it?
Oh my God. God rest in peace, Bob Ross. What a legend. Absolute legend. And with Sora 2, you can make videos like this. You can bring him back to life. You can bring anybody back to life. You can create your own stories and characters, and whatever you want to create, it's possible. Here's another crazy video that I generated. This one is of Godzilla wearing the Venom suit. But before I get into the video, do you guys remember this scene from Jurassic Park in the 90s? This scene took 5 months to make and costed $120,000 per second. Per second. This video literally took me 2 minutes and costed cents on the dollar.
Hold your line! Rocket away! Rocket away!
It's shrugging them off. Pull back, pull back.
We need heavier ordnance! Move!
This next section is absolutely insane. It's the image to video section in Video Inu, and it allows you to upload any static photo and turn it into a hyper-realistic video with Sora 2. So I already went ahead and uploaded one of my AI influencers here. We're going to use the prompt, make her smiling and doing a silly little dance, and let's see what it gives us. There's so many things you can do with this section. You can make your AI influencer come to life. You can make product videos for local businesses. You can even make money with faceless YouTube videos.
This platform is so awesome. There's so many things you can do with this. You can create kid stories. You can create hyper-realistic Sora 2 videos and monetize them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Pretty much every platform that has video content, you can use these videos to collect massive amounts of views. This is the beginning of it all. Like, video content right now is at the bottom of the hill. It's at the base of the mountain. This is where you can shine. This is where you can be your own movie director. You can start making these crazy hyper-realistic videos right now and get millions of views. It's possible. Stop scrolling the YouTube and TikTok homepage, looking at other people that are getting millions of views and saying to yourself, God, I wish I was like them. Just do it, guys. Take the leap. What's it going to cost you? A 1-month subscription to Video Inu. What if your videos get millions and millions of views? What if sponsors start approaching you? What if you're able to monetize your YouTube channel and your TikTok channel? And just a reminder, guys, I'm giving away 10 free monthly subscriptions to Video Inu. To enter, all you have to do is drop a nice little comment in the comment section. YouTube is not associated with this giveaway. This giveaway is sponsored by videoinu.com. The giveaway rules are in the description, so be sure to read those. It's finally here. AI content creation is taking over the world. But the biggest question that you have to ask yourself, are you in or are you out? Please like the video, share, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.